Mic check 1 2 1 2. What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping, back with another haircut video. Check it out, man. We gonna be doing a high taper on my boy right here. I decided to do this because I've been seeing a lot of tutorials on like Instagram and TikTok, you know, the short form tutorials, and they cut out a lot. So this tutorial, I'm not really cutting out a lot, just some of the dead space. That way y'all can get a full tutorial. But nonetheless, as y'all can see, I'm taking my number 3 guard, and what I'm doing is I'm debulking the sides. As you can see, he's got some long hair on top. He's got them dreads going, so we're gonna keep that. Obviously, we're gonna take the sides down, and like I said, we're gonna be doing a high taper. So as y'all can see, I'm pushing the hair up, keeping it out of the way. That way I don't cut any of that longer hair, and I'm taking the sides down with a number 3 guard. Once that is done, I am gonna be using my number 2 guard open at first, and then I will close it as well because, you know, we want to get it a little shorter, want it to look a little cleaner. But we're taking that number 2 guard open first to fade into that number 3 guard. Still coming up using a slight flick out motion, not over exaggerating the flick. I know sometimes people want to over exaggerate that flick, but we ain't gonna over exaggerate it. We're just gonna let the clipper and my hands do what it does. Now once again, here is that 2 guard close, cleaning up the side a little more, getting this all nice and blended. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my trimmer. This is the Saber trimmer, and you can purchase this at stylecraftus.com. Discount code TANK10 on that website. But once we got the bald line set in, we're gonna go ahead and line them up behind the ear and over the ear. Just because I already have the trimmers in my hand, makes it a little easier for me, helps me be a little more efficient. And a lot of times too, what I like to do in this part of the haircut is I will go ahead and line up the beard. However, I didn't do this on this video, but now I'm taking the shaver, getting that down to the shaver length. Then I'm going with my Stylecraft Rain clipper, got my lever all the way open, setting in my next section, coming up about 3/4 of an inch or so. And as y'all can see, I'm really not worried about keeping the C-cups dark. We basically cut them off completely with the trimmer, and then I'm adjusting my lever closed little by little. And then I will be doing a lot of lever play in this area of the haircut just to make sure that we get this, you know, this bottom part of the blend nice and blurry. So I started off with my lever open, halfway open, and then all the way closed, and then we just adjusted it as needed. Now here is my number 1 guard lever open. Once again, coming up about 3/4 of an inch to an inch using a slight flick out motion. And as you can see, it's kind of fading into that number 2. Then I'm gonna close my number 1 guard, start attacking the bottom line in that section, and then I'm gonna go in with my half guard or my 0 guard, whatever you want to call it. And just FYI guys, these are the Stylecraft dub guards. So a lot of people always ask what guards I use. I use the Stylecraft dub guards or the Babyliss guards. And as you can see, I'm adjusting my lever closed just to really get rid of that line. Now I'm gonna go in with my clipper, no guard, just doing some more lever play, trying to clean up the bottom of that blend. Now I'm gonna take that 1.5 guard, because like I said earlier, the 1, it faded into the 2 but not perfect. So I'm gonna take my 1.5 guard, do some detail work, do some cleanup work, really try to get this part of the blend to tie together. That way, you know, the blend just looks nice from the, you know, from the shaver all the way to the longer hair. Now here's my half guard once again, doing some more detail work. And detail work is really what sets, you know, what really takes the haircut to the next level, right? As y'all can see, I'm adjusting my lever, you know, using my guards, no guards, really doing that detail work, really taking my time to really take this blend to the next level, because I think I can get away with this blend, but it's not perfect in my eyes. So yes, you can get away with doing the blend and not detailing it, but when you detail it, it really makes it pop more and it takes it to the next level. But as you can see now, I'm blending the beard in, clipper open, and then adjusting my lever closed. Now using the trimmer a little more to try to blend that in a little better. Then I'm gonna go ahead and line them up behind, you know, behind the jawline area, behind the cheek, whatever you want to call that, behind the beard, whatever you want to call it. You're getting that nice and sharp. Then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the front lineup, and we're gonna take our time. As y'all can see, I don't move too quickly when I'm doing lineups. I tend to take my time on lineup just because I feel like this is one of the most important parts of the haircut. So I like to take my time, make sure that I get a good solid line in there, a nice sharp line. Then we're hitting that vertical bar, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the top of the beard as well. And I know, I still get in the way of my shots sometimes. But it is what it is, man. As y'all can see, I'm going over the top of my client's beard, and y'all can see that I got a nice sharp line on top as well. Then we're gonna line up the mustache real quick. And I'm only gonna show y'all this side of the haircut. I didn't want this video to be too long. I'm not gonna show y'all the razor work. Just, you know, just the steps on how to do this nice taper and the beard, basically. So once I got that lined up, I'm gonna go ahead and line him up under the jawline. Basically just following what he has, cleaning it up, making sure that it's nice and sharp. Then I'm gonna do a little bit more detail work. I know y'all thinking like, Tank, you detailing a lot, but that's how you get the haircuts to go to the next level, man. Don't sleep on that detail work. Once again, doing some more detail work. Here is my half guard. And like I said, I'm just trying to clean everything up, make sure the blend looks a lot better than it does. And check it out, man. This is the finished product. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this haircut down in the comment section. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. Remember, guys, if you're in the Houston, Texas area and want a haircut from your boy, you can go to my website, tankbchopping.com. You can book there. If you want any discount on tools, you can go to stylecraftus.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website. But I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.